Last week I discussed the Jack Daniel's dog toy case, which can be considered a dispute over trade dress. Trade dress is some sort of visual element that acts as a source identifier. Trade dress can come in many packages, literally. Take Crumbl cookies as an example. Crumbl claims trade dress protection for, quote, whimsical, outline-shaped drawings on product packaging, presentation, and decor, end quote. In particular, Crumbl claims trade dress protection for this box that fits 4 cookies. Crumbl has trademark registration for this box, quote, packaging design configuration consisting of a pink package with the stylized design of 4 cookies outlined in black. Oh, delicious smell. They smell so good. Crumbl sued a competitor, arguing that Dirty Dough, quote, packages its cookies in a row in boxes that mimics Crumbl's registered trade dress and iconic packaging. What do you think? Comment below whether you think Dirty Dough copied Crumbl's trade dress, or if there are only so many ways to package a cookie, and this is a case of a big company bullying a smaller company. Dirty Dough thinks it's the latter and has fought back with some interesting billboards. One says, quote, cookies so good we're being sued, end quote. Another says, quote, we don't file lawsuits, we just have better cookies, end quote. Litigation is still pending in this case in the District of Utah, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Another type of trade dress is configuration or design of a product. Nike has some classic shoe design. You know them, you love them. We've got the Air Force Ones. Classic, clean, elegant. There's Dunks, and then there's the classic Jordan 1s. These aren't loved as much, but some of my go-tos are Jordan 1 lows. I'm a big fan. BAPE, a company in Japan, got clever with their shoes and arguably infringed on Nike's trade dress. Nike filed a lawsuit, and this case is pending in the Southern District of New York. Another example of trade dress can be a store configuration. An example of this is the Apple Store. Apple has a registered trademark for the, quote, distinctive, designated layout of a retail store comprised of a cube-shaped building constructed almost exclusively of transparent glass, end quote. Apple also has a registered trademark for the layout of the store as described here. There are some additional legal requirements for trade dress which are beyond the scope of this short video. If you have any other questions about trade dress, be sure to consult with a trademark attorney. Before we go, I did want to address one specific requirement of trade dress, and that is it cannot be functional. This means that the trademark itself cannot be something the product needs to work. An example of this is a road sign with 2 springs on it so it doesn't blow over. The Supreme Court held that the 2 springs served as an invention, not as a source identifier. Thus, if something is functional, it does not act as a trademark because that is what a patent is for. Cookies, sneakers, technology stores, what great reminders that trademarks are fun.